It wasn't easy to embrace my true self, including my feminine side, in a male-dominated niche, but it did empower me, and by my example, many other women, to just be themselves and bring their unique qualities to the table so we can create the type of spaces where everyone feels accepted for who they are.
Meet Anca Trifan, the powerhouse behind Trifan events. Anca leads the event industry by seamlessly blending AI with event planning and production through her innovative Fit for Events framework. Anca is not just a leader, she's a pioneer. Hosting the Events Demystified Podcast, she explores the industry's latest trends and AI technologies. Founder of Fit Mindful Mavens and Women Behind the Scenes in Events, Anca's commitment to empowering women in event production and tech, which has earned her numerous accolades. Anca has shared her expertise at major industry events like MPI, IMEX, Connect, BizBash, Smart Meetings, and South by Southwest. Her sessions cover a range of topics designed to inspire and educate, tactical tips and practical tools, workshops such as Boost Your Business with the latest AI tools, leadership, empowering, and diversity topics such as Shattering the Glass Ceiling, Build Your Confidence and Career in a Male-Dominated Industry, mental and physical fitness topics such as Flexing Success, Powerlifting Your Business with Mental and Physical Fitness, as well as AV negotiation and production topics such as Next Level High-Value Event Production Event Tips. Here's what people are saying. Anca is absolutely an expert in the AI area, loved her energy and passion for the topic. Your session on Flexing Success was fabulous, Anca. Anca was a very engaging speaker and clearly knows her stuff. Love everything about your talk on mental and physical fitness for women in business. As a natural bodybuilding competitor, Anca's dedication to fitness and wellness fuels her dynamic leadership. Discover more about Anca and how she's transforming the event industry. Visit her website, Trifan.